stop scrolling. If you had to survive one night in the wild, which one gadget would save you? Today, I'm revealing 30 insane survival and tactical gear items you need in 2025, straight from Amazon. All tested, all game changers. Stick with me to the end because number 29 might just save your life at home. And number 20 is something every American should carry every day. Ready? Let's dive in. Quick reality check. Survivalists, look at this. Almost 96% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That means you're getting all this survival knowledge for free. But you're one click away from actually joining the tribe. Here's why it matters. When disasters hit, timing is everything. If you're not subscribed, you might miss the very video that could save your life. So hit that red button, turn on notifications, and join the top 10% of smart survivors who are always one step ahead. Question for you. Do you want to be in the unprepared 90% or the elite 10%? Smash that subscribe and let me know in the comments. I'm in ready. Let's dive in. Imagine 3,300 lumens in your hand. That's brighter than car headlights. Throwing light over 550 yards. This USB-C rechargeable beast is IP68 waterproof, impact-proof, and built like a tank. Why settle for average when this could blind danger before it blinds you? Would you trust a cheap flashlight when the power's out? Drop your answer in the comments. Your documents, your tech, your essentials, all safe up to 1,832 degrees Fahrenheit and water resistant. This isn't just a bag. It's an emergency bunker on your back. Question for you. What's the one item you keep in a fireproof bag? Comment below. I'll pin the best answer. A 44-inch tactical spear with an 8-inch double-edged blade, stainless steel, fiberglass handle, and a sheath for safety. Hunting, bushcraft, defense, it's like holding ancient power in modern form. What would you use this for? Defense or hunting? Drop it in the chat. Wind? Rain? Underwater? These matches still light. They burn 15 seconds strong, and the waterproof case floats. When the storm hits, this tiny kit becomes your fire-starting hero. Quick poll. Are you a camping pro or survival beginner? Let's see who's watching. 25 inches of cutting power, full-tong steel blade, serrated edge, ergonomic grip. Whether you're hacking through jungle or backyard brush, this is the blade you want by your side. Imagine owning a tool this versatile. What's the first thing you cut? Lightweight, easy setup, waterproof 5,000 millimeters rating. This tent turns any storm into a safe haven. From solo treks to family adventures, it's your 3-season fortress. Here's a challenge. Could you survive 3 nights in the wild with just this tent and one tool from this list? Tell me which tool. Compact, ergonomic wood grip, high carbon steel blade. Whether it's chopping firewood or clearing a trail, this hatchet is built for action. Drop a comment if this is going in your bug-out bag. Tiny tin, 14 life-saving tools, ferro rod, fishing kit, LED light, compass, snare wire. Fits in your pocket. Saves your life when everything else fails. Which do you prefer, pocket survival or full bug-out bag? 132 medical essentials, splint, shears, hydration mods, all in a tearaway maul case for instant access in trauma situations. Imagine you're an hour away from help. Would you rather have this or risk it? Comment yes if you carry this everywhere. 7-in-1 powerhouse. Blade, pliers, bit driver, carabiner, bottle opener, all in 5 ounces. Every adventure, every day, this tool has your back. Real question, if you could only carry one tool from this list, which would it be? First up, the 4 Patriot Sun Kettle, a portable solar power water heater that works anywhere the sun shines. No gas, no electricity, just pure sunlight boiling your water in under 45 minutes. Hunting, camping, or a blackout at home. This 2.65-pound beast fits right in your pack. And it's eco-friendly. That means your morning coffee in the middle of nowhere just became a reality. Pretty slick, right? Hook. If you think boiling water with just the sun is insane, wait till you see number 10. No clean water? No problem. Meet the Survivor Filter Straw Lightweight, BPA-free, and trusted by pros. Triple filtration removes 99.99% of bacteria and even heavy metals like lead and mercury. Up to 100,000 liters of safe water in your pocket. Yeah, that's basically a lifetime supply of hydration for less than the price of a dinner out. Asterisk comment, water, if this is going straight into your emergency kit. Survival without a knife? Forget it. The Kizer Mini Harpoon is a 3-inch 3-volt steel beast razor sharp, micarta grip, and built for everything from slicing to self-defense. Comes with a premium Kydex sheath too. Compact, rugged, deadly precise. This isn't just a knife, it's your best friend when things get real. Hit that like button if you carry this every day. Next, a tape so strong it should be illegal. TRX Brute Force Duct Tape. Forget regular tape, this stuff can hold 700 pounds with a single loop. Forge Link Tech makes it untearable by hand, waterproof, and UV resistant. From fixing a tent in a storm to holding gear together on the move, this is MacGyver-level magic in a roll. Quick question, what's the craziest thing you fixed with duct tape? Drop it in the comments. When the temperature drops, you'll thank me for this. Arcturus Military Wool Blanket 80% wool. Fire retardant, machine washable, and big. 64 by 88 inches. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or stuck in a blizzard, this 4.5-pound lifesaver locks in heat. Bonus? It actually gets softer every wash. Talk about gear that loves you back. Chopping wood? Clearing a campsite? The Weyland Survival Hatchet is the ultimate bushcraft tool. Full stainless steel construction, maul sheath, and a 90-page survival guide included. This isn't just an axe, it's your ticket to building fires, shelters, and confidence in the wild. Would you trust this over a regular axe? Type yes or nitrogen monoxide below. How do you cut branches 40 feet up without a ladder? With this bad boy, the 55-inch high limb rope saw. Dual-sided blades slice through limbs like butter. Ergonomic handles keep your hands safe, and the entire kit fits in your pocket. Yard work or survival, this tool turns you into a human chainsaw. Just don't tell your neighbors. Comment if you think this beats hiring a tree guy. Next, let's talk fire because without it, you're toast. The Bayite Ferrocerium fire starter works in rain, snow, or wind. With a high-speed steel striker and paracord grip, this thing throws sparks hotter than 50 degrees Fahrenheit. One rod equals thousands of fires. Lightweight, unbreakable, and 100% badass. Question: would you ditch lighters for this old-school spark power? Quick pause, notice something. Every tool so far solves a real problem. Heat, hydration, safety. And these next two take survival from good to elite. Finally, the ultimate protection. The Myra Safety CBRN Gas Mask. Professional grade, CBRN approved, with a 20-year shelf life. Built-in hydration system, speech diaphragm, and panoramic view for total awareness. Whether it's wildfires, chemical threats, or just peace of mind, this mask means you and your family breathe easy when it matters most. Would you keep one of these at home, yes or no? Tell me in the comments. When disaster hits, chemical leaks, wildfire smoke, or worse, clean air is life. The Myra Safety M Gas Mask Filter is military grade, NATO-Standard, and built to handle chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. It's vacuum sealed for a 20-year shelf life, so it's ready when you are. Question for you: would you store one at home or in your bug-out bag? Tell me below. Available now on Amazon, link in description. Every hero needs a strong sidekick, and this is it. QT&QY Military Tactical Backpack. Waterproof, 900D polyester, mold ready for all your gear. and room for everything from your laptop to hydration system. Imagine this, you're hiking. Storm rolls in, but your gear stays dry. Which color would you rock? Black Ops or camo? Comment your pick. Accidents happen. Be the person who's prepared. The Survive X Large First Aid Kit has zip stitch. Wound closures, that's field grade tech that seals cuts without stitches. It's mall compatible. Waterproof and organized with color-coded sections so you're not fumbling in a crisis. Question for you. What's the craziest injury you've seen outdoors? Drop it below. For serious trauma, think gunshot wounds or major accidents, the Rhino Rescue MyFAK kit is a lifesaver. It packs a Cat Gen 7 tourniquet, chest seals, splint, gauze, and more. If you hunt, camp, or travel remote, this is non-negotiable. Which would you rather have in your car? Jumper cables or this kit? You know my answer. More is more when it comes to safety. The Vreeks Premium 450-piece kit is like a medical supply store in a bag, perfect for home, office, or RV. Reflective strip for night visibility, tear-resistant case, and a full arsenal of supplies. Question: where do you keep your first aid kit? Home, car, or both? Okay, prepare to have your mind blown. This isn't a shovel. It's 28 tools in one. Axe, fire starter, whistle, wire saw, survival rope, even a camera mount. Adjustable from 24 to 35 inches and made from unbreakable martensitic steel. If Batman had a shovel, this would be it. Comment below. What's the first thing you build with this beast? Hiking in snake country? Don't gamble with your legs. These QOGI or snake gaiters are lightweight, waterproof, and ASTM tested for real bite protection. Better to sweat a little than get a venomous surprise. Tell me, what's your biggest outdoor fear, snakes or bears? Drop your vote. Darkness is an enemy. The S22 Tactical EDC flashlight fires up at 1200 lumens, has 7 modes, a UV light, and a magnetic base for hands-free work. Rechargeable or AA powered, this little beast is your go-to for blackouts and backwoods alike. Which do you trust more, flashlight or headlamp? Let me know. Power out? Cell towers down? Stay in the know with the Midland ER210 emergency weather radio. It runs on solar, crank, or rechargeable battery, and even has an SOS flashlight with Morse code. Would you keep this in your home kit or bug out bag? Comment and let's debate. Hands-free light, anyone. The Danforth headlamp is 1080 lumens strong, zoomable, weatherproof, and perfect for night hikes, camping, or working under the hood. If you've ever fumbled with a flashlight while fixing something in the dark, you know why this matters. Question for you. What's the last thing you had to fix in the dark? So there you have it, 30 survival gadgets that aren't just cool. They're lifesavers. All the links are below. Grab yours and support the channel while you gear up like a pro. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Comment below. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because the next video, it could save your life. Stay sharp, stay ready, stay unstoppable.